we start the name of God. After that, may peace and prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. After the opening prayers, it is another time and our Somali learning program. It's great to have you here. The channel is your channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get future videos in real time. Still, we are in the midst of our this Somali Pronunciation Guide. We haven't finished yet. We are doing it weekly. Happy New Week, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are. Happy New Week. So please let me give you today the letter H and the vowel. H and vowel, right? H and vowel. It's very simple, like we did before. We simply place a short or long one after and before the H itself. Very simple, right? So now let's place the short one after the H. The H. It is ha, he, he, ho, hu, ha, he, he, ho, hu. If you just place the long ones after it, it is ha, he, he, ho, hu. This chapter gives you enough idealism on how to actually read the Hebrew and the Indian language also. It's very significant, right? So if you wanted to pronounce the Hebrew also, please listen this chapter, and it gives you enough idealism, enough idea. It gives you a lot of idea on how to actually pronounce the Hebrew and the Indian words, right? So again, let's place the long one after the H. It is ha, he, he, ho, and hu. Before the H, it is ah, eh, I, o, and u. Ah, eh, I, o, and u. How to make such sound is not different than the English H, ha. It's ha. The way is not different than the English one. So you English speakers and Somali diaspora could already find the how to make the pronunciation of that H right. So examples include Hanan and Hergel, and Hes, Horis, and so on. So it's already 5 minutes. We stop it there until next week. I like you, all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.